Ever found yourself with extra columns in your Excel sheet, cluttering your data and making analysis a headache? Today, we're diving into two fast and efficient ways to delete columns in Excel, streamlining your spreadsheets for better organization and clarity. Our first method is the quick right-click. Simply move your mouse cursor over the letter header of the column you wish to remove. Once your cursor changes to a downward pointing arrow, click on the letter to select the entire column. Now, with the column still highlighted, right-click anywhere within the selected column. A menu will pop up with a variety of options. Look for the Delete option within this menu, click on it, and watch that unwanted column disappear instantly. There you have it, a swift and simple way to clean up your data. For our second method, we'll use the Excel ribbon again. Start by selecting the entire column you want to delete by clicking its letter header. Once your column is selected, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the cells group Y. It typically contains options like Insert, Delete, and Format. Click on the Delete button. Within this group, a small drop-down menu will appear with several deletion choices. From this drop-down, choose Delete Sheet Columns, and just like that, your selected column is gone. Both of these techniques are incredibly useful depending on your workflow and preference. Mastering these quick column deletion methods will significantly improve your efficiency in Excel, allowing you to maintain clean and organized spreadsheets effortlessly. So, go forth and conquer your data with these powerful Excel tricks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.